Again, Obsidian Bird. Good luck, everybody. 54, 55. Dice roll. We go 9 times. On the dice, teams first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. The Ravens up top. The Saints at the bottom. 9 times now on your names. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. Michael up top. Abe at the bottom. Let's sort them out. The Obsidian Bird. There's your squads. Again, 9 there and 9 here. Good luck, everybody. Let's do it. The Obsidian Early Bird. Good luck, good luck. Obsidian Bird, here we go. Empty box. Starting off first, Mike Evans on the base for Tampa Bay. On a Chester Green. Nice card here for the Rams and Sean Murphy. Puka Nakua, 38 out of 49. Nice card there going to the Rams and Sean. Rashee Rice to 49 on the patch. Kansas City. Who's got the Chiefs going to Connor Albers on the Rashee Rice to 49. Try to sneak a little 2-color in there. There's a little stitching right there. That is to 49 on the Rashee. 11 out of 25. Will Anderson Jr. 3-color patch. Houston Texans and Sean Murphy. There you go, Sean. Will Anderson Jr. to 25. Next up, Tyler Algier to 199. Lightning Strike auto for the Atlanta Falcons. And Tom Haggerty to 199 RPA of Cedric Tillman. For the Brownies, going to Chance Garbison. There you go, Chance. Cedric Tillman on the RPA. And Equinox of Justin Herbert. First on the print, 1 out of 65 for the Chargers. Going to Anthony Camilla. I'm going to do a quick recap on Obsidian. Justin Herbert, Cedric Tillman RPA, Tyler Algier to 199, Will Anderson Jr., Rashee Rice, Puka Nakua, and Mike Evans. Again, the Obsidian Bird in the box. That's the break, everybody. Appreciate the fill.